Smart lock installation. Install the base plate sleeve screws. Adjust the front and rear lock. To ensure that the folded open pin does not touch the motor, cut in the square rod according to the thickness of the door. Measure the lock rod reserved length of 1.8到 2.0 cm from the surface of the interior door. If the tail ruler is too long, we have to cut. The reserved length does not exceed case cover. Push the mechanical knob up and rotate it. Install the rear lock and align it to the square column. Install lock core ruler and safety ruler. Install the rear lock screws. Put the battery cover. Press it for 2 seconds to restore the factory settings. Cover the battery cover. Installation completed. Test the lock switch. Open the handle quickly and press left. Turn right to close the lock. Switch lock knob. The left button is opening the lock. The right button is closing the lock.